The second thing I'm going to do on test day when it comes to tacking up my butt weld, typically 12 inch, could be 8 inch like we have here, is once I have my landing on, that's the first step, put my landing on each bevel, make sure we're all blacked out, and then our seams are lined up. Got my seams lined up over here. I'm going to take my 16 gauge brass spacing band out of the A. Ross Welding store, put one here and one here, check my high-low, in other words, make sure it's even all the way around on the inside. We don't care about the outside, and if there is any high-low, we just want to make it even. Then we're going to put a tack right here in our seam, pull our spacing bands, get our space right directly across from the seam, put a tack here. The smaller the pipe, the smaller the tack. The bigger the pipe, the bigger the tack, 1 to 2 inches.